Everyone, it's K Mirage, and I'm actually here at my dad's house, and he's super excited because he's pulling up potatoes. Hey, Daddy.
Hey.
So talk to us about what's going on here.
Well, this is the potatoes. Plant these potatoes, and this is the reaping from it after like 3 months or so.
So 3 months? How many did you plant?
Well, I planted
Like in this?
3. I reaped one already. With much more than this, but these are bigger.
Oh, wow. Look at that. So, I mean, nobody has really any excuse, right? Because you're not growing it in a big,
No.
a big space.
Exactly. And this is just 2.
So this is just, oh, here's some more.
Oh,
Oh,
2
nice.
potatoes here. Hey.
That's amazing. Oh, wow.
Yeah, we get more.
So how did you do this? You just
I just
potatoes from the
potatoes from the store,
Okay.
and when they're growing, I just stick them in here. And just that is it.
Now the trick is, how did you know it was ready?
Okay, this is how it knows. It goes up in a nice green thing, like you'd have this green here, and after a while it starts to go down like this,
Or when it starts bending,
bending and drying. You realize is that, you know,
there's probably some there.
they are there.
Oh my gosh! And this is from one.
One potato.
Look! There's more.
Oh yeah, okay.
Oh wow!
There's more over here too. You know, some small.
Yeah. That's
Yeah.
awesome. So great for soups and everything.
Exactly.
So nice little
That's it.
harvest.
Right here. Oh, look at that one.
You know, interestingly, so I didn't know they just grow loose like that in the
Yeah,
ground.
they do.
I thought they were like attached to the root or you know, pretty much like sweet potatoes.
Yeah, no.
But this is different.
Oh, this is the first time I'm planting these. I've never planted potatoes before.
Oh, this is nice.
But when I realized that they were drying up,
Yeah.
I come to see, figure more or less, okay, these things are ready. So, see,
Oh, so
all
they
of that.
fall off the root like this.
Yeah, all of that.
Interesting.
See, this one root here.
All right, so what you have to say, one thing you have to say to farmers or persons who are thinking about growing their own food.
It is easy once you have the bed set up and everything. Even if you don't have a bed, just put something in the ground.
Yes.
It will grow.
Oh, wonderful.
You know, it will grow. Look, I do not have to go to the supermarket to go buy some potatoes.
Yep.
And this is only one root here. They have to have 10 roots.
Exactly. You can feed the community.
You know, you see? So this is it.
Awesome. All right. Congratulations. I'm excited for you. So there you have it, guys. Of course, harvesting is always wonderful. But of course, first you have to start the planting. And I encourage you to plant this spring. And this could be your harvest.
Exactly. It's beautiful.
All right, guys. Take care and keep growing. Bye.